Welcome to the Polkaswap tutorial on using the order book. This guide will walk you through the essential steps for trading on Polkaswap, focusing on connecting your wallet, understanding the interface, and executing trades. Let's get started. To begin trading, connect your wallet to Polkaswap. This is a crucial step to access your funds and initiate trades. Ensure you have XOR or another cryptocurrency. You'll need these assets to start trading on Polkaswap. Click on the Trade tab to access the trading interface. Here's where the action happens. Explore the interface. You'll see several key components. The order book widget shows all the aggregated orders for a selected pair. Charts, visual representations of trading activity. Buy and sell widgets, where you'll place your orders. History widget displays your past trading activities. Market Trades widget shows recent trades for the selected pair. The chart for the selected pair reflects data related to order book trading. It does not aggregate liquidity from swaps. Placing orders. Choose the token pair you wish to trade. There are two types of orders. Market order executes at the latest pair price, similar to a swap. Limit order allows you to set any desired price. Orders default to 1 month and will be automatically canceled after this period. You need to have some XOR in your account to pay a small fee in order to place an order. Executing trades from the order book. If you want to fill an existing order, simply click on it. This action pre-fills the buy and sell widget, allowing you to execute the trade. Let's proceed with a sell order to see how it works. You can also experiment with canceling the order without any fees. Review your history. Use the History tab to view all your orders and completed trades. Market Trades widget. This section includes recent trade deals for the selected pair, providing a comprehensive view of market activity. That's it! You're now ready to start trading on Polkaswap. Remember, trading involves risks, so understand the process and trade responsibly. Enjoy trading with style and freedom!